Are you tired of loose, sagging, dull skin on your face? Also, have you considered surgery but you are scared to go under the knife? I have a fantastic technology which bridges the gap between non invasive skin tightening treatments and the proper cosmetic surgical procedures. Now, what is this technology? This is the revolutionary Endolift technology from Italy, which is a 1470 nanometer laser. So, what is so special about Endolift? Endolift is a very unique technology. We've not had any such treatment so far. Here we get under the skin rather than working on the skin, and we deliver the laser light where we want skin tightening or where we want to dissolve the fat. Now these are the two changes which are very important in an aging skin. Before we go further and discuss about this technology in detail, I would like to assure you that I have done this treatment a month back on my face, and though the results take longer, but I am already seeing the results. So it is absolutely safe. Yes, there was a little discomfort, minimal downtime, but it was totally worth it. So let's come back to what is Endolift now. So Endolift is a fiber optic delivered laser. Now this laser, actually the chromophore here is water and fat. That means it works on water and it also works on fat. So who can do Endolift? Anybody who is looking to reduce the puffiness around the eyes, anybody who has mild to moderate bags in the under eye area or has lot of wrinkling around the eyes, and we know that nothing really works there. Anyone who has puffy mid face and it just spoils your pictures. Anyone who's lost weight and is observing a lot of sagging in the lower face. Anyone who is wanting to have a chiseled jawline with an absolutely snatched jaw. Or if you have a double chin and you are not able to get rid of it, or you have a lot of loose skin which is hanging in the under chin area. Apart from working on the face, this technology with a different fiber optic wire also works on the body fats where there are small collections of fat, or if you want to tighten the skin superficially. This is mainly used in the underarms area, in the upper arms, around the knees or around the belly fat. What is Endolift procedure like? So Endolift is like an hour to hour and a half procedure. It is absolutely done by only trained dermatologists. Here we start by first anesthetizing your face by giving you a local anesthetic injection at few critical points. After this injection, this fiber optic wire, the thickness of the wire and the type of wire is decided depending on what are we trying to achieve. Whether it is more of tightening of the skin or whether it is more of reduction of fat on the skin. Nevertheless, this wire goes under the skin. As you can see, the patient hair is very comfortable. So now this wire just kind of moves under the skin. While I'm doing it, I can actually hear crackling of the fat. I'm not sure whether it reaches you there. But now this we wander around under the skin, tightening the skin. A part of the tightening, we can see it on the table. But the results take up to 2 to 3 months to show the full results of tightening and fat reduction. This entire procedure is done in 1 to 1.5 hours, and the good news is that it is usually a single treatment. However, if we have to repeat the treatment, it would be only after a year. So what makes this treatment unique? Firstly, it's a single session treatment. Secondly, this treatment is only done by surgeons or dermatologists. Thirdly, this can be your fly in and fly out treatment. What I mean is that if you wish to do it, you could just come in the morning. The entire procedure takes not more than 2 hours and you can fly out the same day. What can go wrong? Well, you will have some kind of discomfort, minimal swelling also. There can be some amount of bruising, especially the bruising comes from anesthesia rather than the procedure itself. Apart from that, when you're washing your face, you will feel some kind of tenderness on the face or pain in certain areas. The pain and discomfort is more when there is a lot of fat and when we have gone on reducing the fat. So the lipolysis can cause local tenderness. And you can resume your work the very next day. In fact, it can even be a lunch hour lift. So by now you must be wondering what is the cost of the treatment. Well, the cost is not really fixed, but this is definitely more or higher than the other non-surgical skin tightening treatments. This treatment is done by a qualified dermatologist who is adequately trained with a certain number of years of experience in the practice, and there is a lot of consumable. This is an expensive device. The exact cost you will come to know after you've had a consultation, because it could be just addressing one area or addressing the entire face and the neck also. So if this video has evoked any curiosity or interest in you, I will be very happy to answer any question. Please put them in the comment box below and stay tuned for our further videos. I would also like to know what are the other topics that you would like me to talk on. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.